Now we can try to get this cover here removed, you know. Because, for example, here you cannot access to the BIOS chip. You can see it here. When I remove this cable here, I think this is HDD cable. I'm not sure, but you can remove it by pushing up. Okay, now it's removed, and here you can see the BIOS chip. Okay, let's see what screwdriver we need. M2.5. I would suggest this one here. Here you can see also the screws which are holding the keyboard. You know, here also there are two for the keyboard. Okay, what I prefer is you take a white paper and imagine this is the bottom part of the notebook, you know, because you can put the screws exactly to the area where the screws are on the bottom side, that you can remember it when you put all parts together again. Okay, at first I would remove this one here. The screwdriver is not magnetic on this part here, so this is not a good one. That's why I take this for taking the screws out. Okay, now let's see where are the screws. Damn, this is a special screw, so you need this one for that. You see? One second. You need